Hey, in this video, I will show you how to fix the SOS only on iPhone. This is a cellular issue, so a lot of people have been experiencing it. As you can see, I have already fixed mine, and what helped me is first select the like button, then go on settings. Then from there, you want to navigate to airplane mode, and you want to turn it off and then on. Right? You want to on, off. That's what you want to do. This will reset your network settings. It has helped me. If this doesn't help you, you go to the next option, mobile service for American citizens. For the US, it's cellular service. Click on it. And here you want to turn your mobile data off and on. And sometimes you want to click on network selection. And if it's not on automatic, you want to make sure it's automatic. Then you want to go to VPN and make sure you do not have any VPN connected. I personally have VPN on Nord. You want to have it off if you have this issue, because maybe your IP is blacklisted or something. Then you want to go to general. And if none of these work, you want to go to transfer reset iPhone reset. You only want to reset your network settings. And if none of this works, you want to go ahead and contact your cellular data provider, whether it's Vodafone, Verizon, or whatever it is, because maybe that's an issue with them. If you still have the issue, let me know in the comment section down below. I'll try to help you out, and slap the like button for the algorithm. See you next one. Bye.